Hi, I'm Dr. Rahul. So I'm a vascular surgeon in Hyderabad. We had 2 days. Uh, we had 2 days full of experience with CREA. So what we used is the software with the camera. That is how recordings to be done in an operation theater. How seamless the recordings are done. The integration with other camera recording systems, and this system itself records everything, gives us a number of files, both audio and video. uh, Best feature what I liked about this is instant. You can do the editing on the software here itself and then send it to archive, or and as well as take it with you in a separate disk. Then the integration was seamless. It was very smooth and very user friendly interface. This is going to be the state of the art thing where every hospital will be using such softwares, where clinical work, education, research, everything will be clubbed. And CREA coming up with this, integrating everything from OT to EMR to education teaching programs is wonderful. And that too, not just inside the hospital, but through their system connecting the world. Nice, great, thank you. A very good experience.